Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, then we are going to twist it and then folding it into a simple bun. After that we are going to apply a clutch for securing it. Next we are going to take hair from one side from the top and then we are going to make a simple pony and applying this char rubber band. Then we are going to start making a braid by using one part of this small ponytail and start taking hair in parts for making this braid. Then again we are going to take the remaining part of it and start making another braid, and then we're going to complete it till we reach the last. After that we are going to just take all of the hair which are left, joining it with the braids, and then we are going to make a final braid and then folding it with the help of this rubber band. Next we are going to divide the hair into two sections, making a ponytail and joining it with a small ponytail we have made at the bottom. Then we are going to take this main ponytail, twisting it around into a bun and applying this colorful rubber band. Next, we are going to take hair from one side, start making a small braid by applying this beautiful rubber band at the top. Then we are going to keep it separate and then taking some hair and joining it with a braid as a form of ponytail. Then we are going to repeat this step and making a braid with rest of the hair and then folding it together.